Welcome to Styling with me. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair, especially if you're tired of wearing your hair long. How we're going to achieve this look: you need your comb, you need a rubber band, and it is as simple as that. The length I'm using for this hair, I have 4 bundle here: 222, 120 and 180, and 80-inch closure. So you need your bobby pin, get it handy. This is a quick and easy style to go for any special occasion. First, I'm going to be tying the hair with a ponytail grip. I'm doing the middle part, so I'm just going to grab the hair a little bit tight. I'm doing it 3 times. And I'm getting my rubber band, so I'm just going to put my hand straight in the middle, open it. Make sure your hand is through the middle like that, because we are going to be flipping the hair opposite. By doing that, we're going to hide the band. This hairstyle, you can use it for wedding, graduation, or any formal occasion you have. I'm just going to kind of plait the hair into 3. Sometimes you can just twist it here, or you can bring some of the hair out. Just go free, just do what you like. Get your pin and just pin it into place. When you're doing this hairstyle, try to use a dark rubber band, a band that mimics the hair color. I'm just going to put my accessory and we are ready to go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you're going to be trying this hair at home. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.